Day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs, and today we're adding holiday cheer to the kitchen. These mini cabinet wreaths are super easy to make, affordable, and bring a festive touch to a space that we often overlook. Let me show you how. I love decorating every corner of my home for the holiday, and the kitchen is no exception. But instead of buying expensive pre-made decor, I decided to make my own mini wreaths using unlit garland, ribbon, and a few extra details. These wreaths are the perfect size for cabinet doors, and they take just a few minutes to make. For this project, I'm using unlit garland that I'll cut into small pieces, black velvet ribbon to tie everything together, a few small bells for that festive finishing touch, ornament ties, and a floral cutter. My goal, create 4 mini wreaths in 2 different lengths to hang on my cabinet doors. The outer wreaths will hang lower and the inner ones higher, creating a balanced, escalated look. It's all about those little details that make a big impact. First, I cut the garland into 4 equal pieces, 2 for the longer outer wreaths and 2 for the shorter inner ones. Then I shaped each piece into a circle and secured the ends with ornament hooks. Then I added the bells, and next I measured and cut my black velvet ribbon, tying a loop to give the illusion that the wreaths are hanging from the cabinet. I used 2 different ribbon sizes to create visual interest. The trickiest part, adjusting the ribbon lengths to get the perfect escalated look. I wanted the outer wreaths to hang lower and the inner ones higher, which took some trial and error, but once I got the spacing right, everything came together beautifully. With the ribbon lengths finalized, I added small bows and bells to each wreath for a festive touch. Then I hung them on my cabinet. I tried using small adhesive hooks, but because of the ribbon, it was hard to do. So I decided to hot glue the ribbon on the inside of the cabinet door. And here's the final result. 4 perfectly styled mini wreaths that make my kitchen feel so festive and cozy. I love how these mini wreaths turned out. They're simple, elegant, and completely transformed the look of my kitchen. Plus, they're budget friendly and so easy to store for next year. This project reminds me that even the smallest details can make a space feel magical. Holiday decor isn't just for the living room. Don't forget your kitchen. Thanks for watching day 4 of my 12 days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow, I'll be sharing day 5, where I'll show you how to make a minimalist modern Christmas tree wall art. See you there.